Hey, yo, peace, peace. This is your man, L. Judge, coming right back at you with some of that real talk real fast, man. Apparently, man, there's a question going around on the internet and on the computers. They're asking, why are black people MIA when it comes to the protest? And the answer to that is very simple. Very, very simple. We're MIA because we're tired. The majority of the black people that you see, we are soul people. And we have been fighting for the soul of this country for a very long time. It has been our battle to make sure that this country knows how to treat people decently, and how to have empathy upon your fellow man, and how just to be fair. We have been fighting for that, and a lot of people have benefited from the fight that we put down. A lot of people, not just people who look like us, a lot of people have benefited from that. But at this point right now, we're just going to sit back, and we're going to let other people take care of this. You know what I'm saying? Because if the moment that we get involved, they're going to turn it into a racial thing. So us sitting back, believe me, us sitting back is the best thing for this country right now. Now, believe me, there may come a time when we have to come out. And believe me, we will. But right now, don't worry about us. Don't even focus on us, because you guys are doing an excellent job going against those who wish to destroy the soul of this country. A lot of the soul people who do not look like this here, they are doing an excellent job. And we're proud of you. And we're not turning our backs on you. We're just sitting back because we don't want them to turn this into something that it doesn't need to be. Because once they say that, oh, this is a racial thing now, then it's really going to turn up. And then everything that you've been fighting for at this point is going to go out the window. So, and I understand that the guy who did that thing, that stood on that guy's neck, whatever that situation was, they say they want to let this person out. Let them do it. Because apparently, the situation that's in control right now, they pat criminals on their back. The evidence of that is overwhelming. So just continue doing what you're doing. We're proud of you. When the time comes, when it's the right time, we'll stand up. But for right now, we just got to sit back, and we got to let y'all handle this. Peace and blessings. I'm out.